Welcome to Mind Ignite, where we seek to find a moment of profound peace amidst the chaos of your daily busy life. Take a deep breath and pause your busy schedule right now because your soul truly deserves a moment of quiet, sacred rest. I know you have been carrying secret burdens that no one else sees, hidden deep beneath your forced smile every single day. The storms raging within your mind are fierce, but you are not wandering through this darkness entirely alone as you might think. I see every tear that falls in the silence of your room, and I hear every whisper of your worried heart tonight. Even when you feel that your prayers are hitting the ceiling, know that I am listening to every single word you speak. Do not be discouraged when doors seem to close in your face, for I am simply redirecting your path toward better things. My silence is never an indication of my absence, but rather an invitation for you to grow deeper in your true faith. Trees do not grow strong because the wind stops blowing, but because their roots grip the earth tightly during the violent storms. Your current trials are shaping your character into something far more beautiful and resilient than you could ever imagine by yourself now. You must learn to master your thoughts, for the way you think today will eventually define the reality you live tomorrow morning. Frustration is merely a memory of yesterday, while faith is the powerful fuel that prepares you for a brighter day ahead soon. Stop looking at the lives of others with envy, because your specific journey is uniquely crafted for your own divine life purpose. Write down your deepest gratitudes to shift your perspective from what you lack to the abundance that surrounds your life right now. Patience is a virtue that softens the heart, allowing you to see the miracles that are happening in your life every day. I am the light that guides your ship through the darkest nights, ensuring you never truly lose your way in the deep. Extend your kindness to those who are struggling around you, for in helping others you often find your own healing and peace. Every morning is a brand new gift of grace, giving you another chance to rewrite the chapters of your life with courage. Find the quiet space within your own heart, where you can hear my soft whispers directing you toward the right path always. Your steps may seem uncertain to you, but I have already paved the way for you to walk in confidence and grace. Seek the wisdom found in the ancient truths, for they will provide the foundation you need to stand firm against all winds. Release the heavy baggage of your past mistakes, because holding on to them will only prevent you from walking toward your future destiny. Nurture the small seeds of faith you have planted, for they will surely blossom into a life of great purpose and joy. Look into the mirror and recognize the masterpiece I have created, for you are fearfully and wonderfully made for this world today. Trust the flow of your life even when the current seems strong, for I am the river that carries you home safely. The joy you give to others will return to you in ways you cannot expect, filling your cup until it overflows with love. As the sun sets, let go of all your anxieties, knowing that I am watching over you through the dark of the night. Open your heart to receive the blessings I have prepared, for they are more numerous than the stars in the vast sky. You were born to soar above the limitations that have held you back for so long, so spread your wings and fly. Find your refuge in the presence of my spirit, where you are safe from the troubles that seek to disturb your peace. Express your creativity as a form of worship, for the talents you possess are gifts meant to bless the world around you. The earth is filled with the evidence of my love if only you would open your eyes to see the beauty everywhere. Consistency is the key to building a life of integrity, so keep doing the right thing even when no one is watching you. After every rainstorm comes a rainbow, reminding you that your struggles are temporary but the beauty of your soul is truly eternal. Keep walking on the path I have set before you, for it leads to a destination of peace and complete spiritual fulfillment. The moon reflects the sun's light in the darkness, just as you can reflect my love to those who are currently suffering. Be a source of comfort to those in pain, for in your empathy you demonstrate the true nature of my divine love. See the world with fresh eyes and you will notice the small miracles that happen in the ordinary moments of your day. Honor your body as a temple, for it is the vessel through which you carry your purpose into this vast living world. Seek knowledge with a humble heart, for the truth will set you free from the chains of ignorance that bind your mind. Speak your truth with love and kindness, for your words have the power to heal or destroy the hearts of those around. Let your faith burn bright like a candle in the darkness, so that others may find their way to hope through you. A simple smile can change a person's entire day, so never underestimate the impact of your small acts of love and grace. The harvest of your efforts is coming, so remain diligent and patient, for the time of reaping your reward is very near. Type Amen in the comments to declare your commitment and place your full trust in my plan for your life right now. Listen to the songs of creation, for they are echoing the harmony and peace that I want you to feel within you. When the waters of your life are calm, It is the perfect time to reflect on the blessings you have received today. Stay with me until the very end, for there is so much more wisdom to share as we journey together through life. Practice the discipline of grace, for it is the music that makes your life a beautiful melody for the world to hear. Invest in your future by planting seeds of goodness today, for you will surely reap what you sow in the coming seasons. My love is like the ocean, vast and unending, covering every mistake you have ever made with my grace and mercy always. Read the words of life, for they contain the blueprints for a soul that seeks to live in harmony with my light. Do not give up on the race you are running, for the finish line is closer than you can currently see with eyes. Love unconditionally, just as the creatures of the earth love you, for that is the secret to a truly fulfilled human heart. Let your worries drift away like clouds in the wind, for they have no power over the peace that I give you. Serve others with a joyful heart, for even the simplest meals become a feast when they are prepared with love and care. Every place of worship is a reminder that you are part of something much larger than your own individual life and struggles. Tend to the garden of your soul, pulling out the weeds of negativity so that the flowers of virtue can grow freely. Let my light fill every corner of your home, bringing warmth to the cold spaces where you have felt alone and afraid. Embrace the rain as you embrace the sun, for both are necessary to bring life to the seeds you have sown today. End your day with a grateful heart and you will sleep in peace, knowing that I am watching over you until dawn. Find your center in the silence of my presence, where no noise can disturb the deep peace that I have given you. Become like a little child in your faith, and you will see the kingdom of heaven unfolding before your eyes every day. Accept the seasons of your life with grace, for each one is necessary for the growth of your spirit and your character. Unity is a powerful force, so work together with others to build a world that reflects the love I have for you. The mountains stand as a testament to my power, reminding you that I am able to move any obstacle in your life. Ride the winds of change with confidence, for I am the one leading you toward the beautiful destiny I have planned today. Use your time wisely, for every second is a precious opportunity to love, learn, and grow into the person I created you. Honor those who have walked the path before you, for their wisdom is a treasure that will guide you through your trials. Be like the stream that finds a way around every rock, for persistence will lead you to the ocean of your dreams. Leave your mark on the world with your unique gifts, for the world needs the light that only you can provide today. Rise above the circumstances that try to pull you down, for your spirit is meant to bloom in the light of truth. Balance your life by seeking inner peace first, for all other things will fall into place when your heart is aligned right. Build your life on the foundation of love, for it is the only structure that can withstand the storms of this world. Plan your steps with care, but always be open to my guidance, for I know the best route for your journey home. The key to your happiness is already in your hands if you only unlock the doors of your heart to my grace. I am the potter and you are the clay, being shaped into a vessel of honor for a purpose you cannot see. Catch the moments of inspiration that I send your way, for they are the sparks that will light your path to success. Small acts of goodness are like flowers in a pot, bringing beauty to the places where you live and work every day. Learn from the stories of those who came before you, for they have left a map for you to follow to success. Walk with me through the changing tides, for I will never let you drown in the waves of your own deep fears. Find silence in the woods, for it is there that you can hear the heartbeat of the world and find true peace. Share your story with the world, for your testimony is a beacon of hope for those who are struggling in the dark. Let your spirit rise above the gravity of your problems, for you were meant to live in the freedom of my love. Cherish the memories of your past, but do not live in them, for your future is where your real life truly begins. My power is like a waterfall, constantly pouring into your life to refresh your spirit and wash away all your deep sorrows. Enjoy the changing seasons of your life, for each one brings a new perspective that will help you grow into your destiny. Every ending is just a new beginning in disguise, so trust that I am leading you to a season of great harvest. Be still and know that I am with you always, in the quiet moments and in the loud storms of your days. You are a star in my kingdom, meant to shine bright and guide others to the truth that they are seeking today. Work with your hands and trust me with the results, for I will bless the labor that you put into your life. You are like the wildflowers, beautiful in your own way, even when you feel like you are growing in a lonely place. Let the beauty of words inspire your soul, for they have the power to lift your spirit to heights you never reached. Trust the path that I have chosen for you, even when you cannot see where it leads, for I am the guide. Bring your vision to life with passion, for the world needs the unique colors that only you can paint on the canvas. Find your home in my love, for it is the only place where you can truly rest from all your weary work. Let my presence be your shade in the heat of the day, protecting you from the burdens that weigh on your soul. Live simply, and you will find that you have everything you need, for I am the provider of all your daily needs. Clear the windows of your mind so that you can see the truth of my love without the clouds of your doubt. Every day is a fresh opportunity to start over, so let go of the past and step into the light of today. Build your life with patience, stone by stone, and you will create something that stands the test of time in all storms. Flow with the river of my grace, and you will find that your life becomes a journey of peace and deep joy. Record the lessons you have learned, for they are the wisdom that will carry you through the challenges of your future life. Let go of the things you cannot control, for I am in charge of the universe and I have a perfect plan. Focus on the work I have given you, for it is the path that leads to the purpose you were born for. Walk forward with confidence, for the path I have prepared for you is filled with beauty and blessings beyond your wildest dreams. Love yourself as I love you, for you are a reflection of my image and a masterpiece of my creative divine heart. Look at the stars and remember that I created them all, and I have counted every hair on your head as well. Stay grounded in the truth of my word, and you will never be shaken by the winds of change that blow daily. Find your sanctuary in my presence, for it is the only place where you can find rest for your weary, tired soul. Seek my guidance in the pages of my word, for it contains the wisdom you need to navigate the complexities of life. A new day has dawned, so leave your failures in the past and walk into the promise of the future I hold. Be the hands and feet of my love in this world, for your kindness is the light that will save the lost. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and remember that I am always with you until the end of the age. Thank you for watching this video creator production. Please subscribe and share this message of hope with someone you love today too. Watch until the end to receive a powerful breakthrough prayer. Like, subscribe, and share to spread God's light, hope, and encouragement to others. Comment below, Amen, to receive all of God's blessings, grace, and favor.